Hello buddies and welcome back, it's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can block numbers on your Sony Xperia 5 Mark IV. Maybe you get a lot of spam calls, messages, or you just don't want unknown numbers to reach out to you. And for that you need to go to your phone icon there, go to these three little dots, click on settings and then go to blocked numbers. So you have a few different options here. You can block a numbers not in contacts. You can just say enable this and then they won't reach you anymore. Private, so you block callers that do not disclose their number. You can enable and disable this as you like. Block unknown, so block calls from unidentified callers, and you will not receive calls or messages from blocked numbers. So if you enable these, numbers not in your contacts, unknown numbers and private numbers cannot reach out to you anymore. You also have the option to add a number if you have a specific person that you want to block. You can just then add this number and say block. This number will then probably be listed here, and if you choose to unblock them again, you can probably unblock them here somewhere. I don't have a number to block to demonstrate right now, but this is how it normally works. If you ever want to undo this again, just click on the button here and disable all these things. So that's how you block numbers on your Xperia 5 Mark IV. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and hope to see you next time. Bye.